All right, guys, so a buddy of mine just picked up a brand new 2023 Jeep Gladiator, and one of the first things that he needs a tonneau cover. So there's a ton of options out there for tonneau covers. What I've personally used in the past has been the OEDRO brand, so I told him about it. There was only a couple $100 on Amazon, and so he opted to go for the tri-fold tonneau cover. We got it shipped here. We're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to get it installed. So this will fit all 2020 through 2023 and probably even going to be 2024 next year. They should be all the same body style, the JL type of body style for these vehicles. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Let's see what we got. All right, so now that I've got this thing completely all unboxed, got all the garbage and stuff all taken out of it, so now we're ready to actually get to our install. So of course it does come with some directions, which are nice. I think these are going to be some additional clamps that we won't probably need for our application, but it comes with it, so that's cool. These little sticker pads, they said kind of go against the body to protect it in case you need it, so they've given you that as well. And then this kind of extra padding, which I don't think we'll need for this application. So it looks like this tonneau already has kind of the little kind of weather stripping all around it. So I don't think we'll need that. Usually that goes on the part of the bed closest to the back of the cab, right? So like where your rear window is, that's usually where that would go. So we'll kind of see. I'll have to take a look at it. But usually these tri-fold tonneaus are super easy to install. You literally just start at the back by the back window. You get these boys clamped down. Now this I'm not familiar with, so like Ram trucks and stuff that I've had, I've never had this, so it looks like it's just kind of an additional little hold down that you can kind of tighten, so we'll see if we even need that. We might not. You also have some adjustability here for different widths of this, right, to be able to fit, so should be good to go. And then of course the back side of this thing, this is where you have your clamp that goes towards the tailgate, and so you just, get that thing all opened up, clamp it on down, easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, guys, so installing this thing is going to be easy. I think I'm actually on this. I think I'm on this side, Joe. My bad. We switch you. Yep. Oh, yeah, it's easy. It's so light. So this is definitely something you guys can do by yourself, but with two people, obviously, just makes it a lot easier. But basically, you're just going to line it up, and then the little kind of things in here, we're just going to clamp them down. So let me get in here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so for our application, this little clamp was in the middle position, but we needed to move it inside closer a little bit. So now it looks like we're good. We just got to make sure we're even on both sides, and then we'll just literally clamp it down right to the inside of this rail. So really easy. All right, so once you get these clamps all tightened down here against this bed rail, I wouldn't tighten them super crazy yet, because once we get the tonneau kind of totally folded, we'll have to probably make some adjustments back and forward, left to right. But you got yours kind of clamped? So then we can just start to put this bad boy down and see what we end up with. So we may have to adjust this guy also to the inside, and then we'll see how that works. There we go. Yeah, should be good to close it. Oh, yeah, it might. All right, so on our Gladiator, we did the same thing for the rears. We just had to go ahead and slide this up, move this all the way over to the outside on both sides, and then you just kind of spin this thing till it's tight, clamp it up, good to go. So really, really, really easy to use. And then these orange ones, we don't even know what the heck they're for, so we don't need them. I've never used them on any other truck I've had, so we're just going to cut those off. And then that gasket that goes across the back of the top, we didn't use that. We're just going to kind of monitor it, see if there's any leaking or anything, because if we don't need it, why put it on? But Joe's going to save it just in case. All right, final product. looking good and all this stuff. And as soon as you have one nice warm day, this will all even out, look beautiful. But again, it took us maybe 5-10 minutes, easy peasy. We did end up taking those orange little things off. I did save those. I'm guessing maybe that's like just an extra safety precaution, but for us, we just took it off. But again, pretty awesome. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Really quick, really easy. So again, this thing's about $200 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Definitely check it out. I've had them on my trucks for years now and never had any issues. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys on the next one.